Law School is launching its first executive training program in the field of legal aspects of Web 3.0. This program is designed to help build on the proficiency and expertise of legal professionals in the emerging era of decentralized internet.
We will explore the main features and challenges of distributed ledger technology, smart contracts, primary markets and intermediaries of the secondary trade, and discuss the regulatory frameworks, applicable laws, international jurisdiction, and law enforcement actions related to virtual assets. We invite representatives of public institutions, lawyers, managers, graduate students to join the program's initial intake in the spring of 2023. See you there.